Literally, these are sold out at like every single Target on Island. So I'm so happy I got to get some before fall was over. I'm also gonna make some cinnamon rolls. Can you say cookies? Good job, Baba. Pumpkin. Good job. High five. Oh my gosh, you're so smart. He just pointed to the pumpkin and said pumpkin. He said cookie, pumpkin. You're so smart. Let's do this. Cookies. You want cookies? I know, Baba. Mommy has to cook them.
Well, I knew what I didn't want to know, and I saw where I didn't want to go. So I took the path less traveled on, and I'll let my stories be whispered when I'm gone. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone.
His hair is freshly braided.
In this life you must find something to live for, 'cause when the darkness comes a-calling, you go back to where you were before.
So my man is sending me to the salon to get a pedicure. If he wants French tips, then he gonna get some French tips. He wants me to get a pedicure.
We do not exist in any other instant. Here in this dimension, you and I are meant to be. I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you of the things you've been dreaming times too. I promise you. If you just give me 24, then all I need is 24 hours. I promise you want plenty more. You'll probably be waiting forever. So how does it sound? I was on the ground giving you my love, my love, my love, my love. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now.
So we're at Bailey's house having a play date. We're gonna do some fall crafts with the boys. Okay, so this one.
Oh my god, where'd it go?
Right there. And then that one.
And then Makai's doing that one. Gonna wing it. Okay.
Yay.
Oh.
What color is that?
Red. So smart. Ace is so smart. Okay. Hold. Oh, I think I messed it up.
What did you say?
Yay! What color? Not yet. Orange.
Good job.
Orange, yes.
Orange.
Orange. Asa know his colors. 5.
Girl, is this for color? Yeah. Makai, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. Yay!
Nobody can tell about me.
So this might be Bailey's. She's, you know, working on it. And then this is gonna be my pumpkin. She's gonna help me with the drip. Okay, we're gonna get started.
We'll just keep the paint over here. Like, away from Mr. Auntie gonna hold this one, okay?
Mixing. Bailey's working on mine.
Artistic ability is gonna come out.
What color is that? Yellow. Good job. Makai, you want to paint? What color is this? Purple. Good job. What color is that? What color is that? Good job. Green. Bailey's so focused over there.
Girl.
Hey, so why does yours still look scary? I'm chilling mine in a little bit, and then
Orange cutie right now.
Helping me fix.
And this is Miss
Hello Kitty.
Does it give Hello Kitty?
It does. It looks
okay. Cute. He is not into this. Mine is not an arts and crafts boy.
Are you having fun, Makai?
Of course. Ready? I'm gonna paint.
Whoa. You know that TikTok sound where it's like quiet? It's like, and then I don't know, it's like the loud driving by noise.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that in the background because all you see is Ace.
There you go.
Okay, Bill's gonna do Makai's. What are we making?
Frankenstein.
Okay,
Makai's
Bailey's
not-
doing Makai's.
Makai's not an arts and crafts guy.
Hi! Oh my goodness!
There you go, that's better. Yeah. Okay, I know my man just sent me to the salon to get a pedicure, but now he's sending me back again to get my nails done. I can't remember the last time I had acrylics. I'm kind of nervous. I've been looking at a lot of inspo, but I think I'm gonna go with like fall vibes just because it's October. And this is a Vlogtober vlog, so it just makes sense. So come with me to get some fall nails.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And
I just finished making a TikTok video putting together a boo basket for my man. My man gets back from the vet tomorrow. Working on putting him a little boo basket together and he has no idea, and I think that I did a really good job at keeping it a secret. I'm so shocked because I really wanted to message him and be like, hey, do you think you'd like this? But then he would know. But anyways, I'm going to show you what the basket looks like. So this is the boo basket that I made for my man. I don't want to go into detail about everything that's in it because I literally just finished filming a TikTok video going into detail about it. I'll add the link to that because then you can just go look at it there. It doesn't make sense for me to go through it all over again. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlog and keep watching. Okay, I don't have a lot of time, but I wanted to do a little haul. My man took me shopping to find an outfit for the pumpkin patch. So I got this dress first. I think this dress is super cute. I'm probably gonna wear it to church, just like off the shoulder. He thinks I look really good in this, and so do I. Next, I got this yellow dress. Yellow looks really good on black people, so this color makes me pop. And then lastly, I got this olive green jumpsuit. It has pockets, and it just fits me like really good. Like it's like a really fitted fit, and everything else is kind of more loose, so I think I'm probably gonna end up wearing this. Okay, this is Ace's outfit. He's wearing these beige overalls. I still gotta figure out which outfit I'm gonna wear, but next time you see me, I'll be at the pumpkin patch, so you'll know which one I picked. And that would be the end of this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Mwah!
Smoking 'cause 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 'c You look so pretty and I love this view.
to you by me. Alright, here you go.